Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essential prerequisites. Enable Headland Management in settings and pick a tool that matches implement width and tractor power. Drive to the field edge and set your initial heading carefully. This defines the pattern. Once positioned, activate auto steer or start recording a course so the system knows your first pass. You want consistent implement overlap and clean corner turns, so calibrate speed and width now. This first step creates the geometry the system follows for every headland and return pass. Once done with your initial pass, record the straight runs and mark turn points precisely. You must capture entry and exit angles so the system can mirror them. Make adjustments to implement offset, set an overlap percentage, and define the turning radius. This ensures implements don't cut or miss strips. Use the in-game waypoint editor to nudge misaligned passes and delete unnecessary turns. Make sure to test one recorded lap at reduced speed to confirm spacing and smooth headland sequencing before proceeding. You finish by running a complete headland cycle at working speed and watching overlap, implement lift, and corner behavior. If the run is clean, save the course and back up the file, especially when using mods or custom maps. If things go wrong, reset the problematic waypoints, reduce the turn radius, or re-record just the troublesome segments. This fixes most misalignment or clipping issues. Finally, make iterative tweaks and rerun until headland passes are smooth and efficient for automated work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.